tonight as well as the rest of the week, Kelly. Beautiful day out there, but I know also you were going to talk about Hurricane Beryl that came through in Jamaica. It's making its way to Mexico. Is that correct?
Totally. It's still on the move, and it's still a hurricane, so you bet we're going to be talking about it. Here's how things look right now, our tropical overview. We do have an area of low pressure. It's known as Tropical Wave Invest 96L. That has a 0% chance of actually developing over the course of the next 48 hours. But Hurricane Beryl is still in play, and right now it is a Category 2 hurricane, and it is expected to make landfall once again. So as it moves off to the west, we are expecting this current wind speed behemoth of 110 miles per hour moving towards the west-northwest at 18 miles per hour. It is going to make another landfall on the Yucatan Peninsula. Now, its estimated track does take it into the western Gulf, where it will emerge as a tropical storm, but then possibly re-strengthen as a Category 1 before making landfall just in the Brownsville area. And all of that moisture will definitely have a huge impact, not only on the eastern side of Mexico, but also throughout a good portion of Texas. And Texas actually had been dealing with quite the drought lately, so it's actually not a totally bad thing, except for the fact that it's a lot of rain that's going to come in a very short amount of time. So in terms of our hurricane names, we're already waiting for Debbie to develop, and I suspect, given what's gone on so far with our season, we definitely will hear from her at some point. Here's your almanac for today, just to give you perspective. For average, our average high is 83, our average low is 64. The records will stay in the books for another year, both long-standing records. They've been there for more than 100 years, both the record high and the record low. So again, here's our look here in Providence. We have what's listed as mostly cloudy skies, but we do have a mugginess that's really going to pour in tomorrow. Today we have dew points in the 60s. Tomorrow they go into the mid 70s, so it's going to be like almost tropical humidity. And I'll talk more about that in a second, but I wanted to get through as we look ahead. We're going to see more dry weather than not, even though we're going to boost the muggies. We do still have chances to pick up rounds of showers, starting with one this evening, and we've got another one Friday into Saturday morning. And we are looking to return to sunshine for the start of next week, but it is going to be wicked humid. Here's where our temperatures are now. Cooler along the coast in the 70s. We do have the lower 80s in the interior. And again, our dew points are well into the 60s. It is very muggy. It does make it feel even hotter, but right now, because our temperatures are on the way down, it's only really making a huge impact as you get closer to the Boston area this check-in. Winds have been picking up from time to time. Our wind direction is southwesterly, and that's what's been holding coastal temperatures cooler. At times, we have been picking up wind gusts of 20, 25, even close to 30 miles per hour out on the Cape. So here's what's going on. We do have this disturbance that's moving on through, and it's basically a line of energy that we're bringing into a very warm and muggy environment. As a result, it's kind of easy to generate a scattered shower or even have it intensify enough to become a thunderstorm. That's not what's happening right now, but the chance is there as we go through tonight, and it will be there with us early tomorrow morning as well. Now, Friday is going to be a generally unsettled day, a blend of sun and clouds. We do have a 40% chance of picking up a shower or thunderstorm throughout the duration of the day. And then as we get to Saturday, we keep the unsettled weather going. This is the Saturday morning, which is our best chance of picking up precipitation when that front goes through about the first half of the day on Saturday. After that, we do start to clear things out skywise, but we hold on to the humidity. So our humidity today is very humid, yes, but tomorrow we start to approach the 70s and exceed the 70s, and we are looking for that humidity to peak both of the weekend days with highs in the territory of tropical humidity, likely near 74 for our dew point. So fireworks watching, we're looking at mostly cloudy skies. It is going to be muggy, and we do have showers that are possible as we go through this evening. Temperatures around 9 p.m. should be around 72 degrees if that is indeed what you're going to do. If you want to finish out your holiday week, because we still have the weekend to go through, but for tomorrow at the beaches, we do have some patchy fog that'll be with us in the morning that may cut visibility. Otherwise, mostly cloudy. We do have a chance of showers, chance of thunderstorms with oceanside temperatures that will be in about the mid-70s. So for tonight, mostly cloudy, chance of showers, chance of thunderstorms, fog developing after 4 p.m. 4 a.m. rather, excuse me. And then as we go through tomorrow, we're looking at mostly cloudy skies after some morning fog, chance of showers, chance of a thunderstorm in there as well. But it's slight. It's only about 30 to 40% for your Friday. It does increase for Saturday, though. If we're going to see any inclement weather, Saturday is the day for it. Again, we do hold on to dew points in the 70s as of now through at least the first half of next week. Caitlin?
Thank you, Kelly.